This is a hotel room tour of the Great Wolf Lodge in Anaheim, room number 215. Come on in, welcome. So how I do room tours, I always try to orientate myself. So on the left-hand side, I'll talk from left and right based on how you enter the room. So when you enter the room, you come into a large space. Immediately to the forward of you is the bathroom. It's pretty standard. You have a tub with a toilet. It will do the job. Let's put it that way. Some nice hangers there if you're here for an extended period of time. We'll go ahead and close that door on us. Moving in, and immediately to the left is another door. It looks like you can get this as a connecting room. We're here just as us. And then moving again to the left is Natalie. This is kind of the closet area. There's no other closet in this space. It has a safe. There is a chair to get ready for. You can see it comes with hangers. And it's a good space, So we'll continue going to the left here. You can see there is a 42-inch TV on the wall. We have not turned that on yet. There is a small mini fridge, empty, just the way we need it. Trash can, there's some drawers. Very large space, so if you are here for an extended period of time, you will be able to do that. Right here on the counter is a coffee machine. They have some Great Wolf Lodge sugar and cream and everything. Well, not mean. There is an AC unit. We already have that cranked on. And then coming again to the right, using that orientation, this is to the right from when you enter. This is a king size bed. This is a single king room. You can see the decor there is nice. Inside of each of the nightstands are some plugs that comes in handy, right? We like to see some places where we can plug in our things. And then coming around, so right on the other side of where the bathroom is a sink. And this is kind of a substitute. You have more room in the room because they put the sink where you shave at, brush your teeth at, all of that stuff at. Inside the room, again, on the other side of the bed, it's a mirror image. They have the plugs there. You have your nice little lantern, a reading light. But this is 215 at Great Wolf Lodge, a standard king room, and definitely big enough for two. If you're a large family, definitely they have some other options to consider. But if you do have questions for us, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. If there's something that I skimmed over, went too fast with, or otherwise didn't address, please let me know. And definitely consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you want to go ahead and think about just maybe, subscribing. We are a channel all about travel, family, and cruising. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.